Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can export a folder on Adobe Bridge, for example to export it to a different location on your device or to save it on your device. So let us guide you through it. So launch Adobe Bridge on your desktop computer or laptop, log into your account, navigate to workflow, and here on the left hand side you will see the folders tab. Navigate to the folder on your device. Here you will see all subfolders within the given folder, and let me go for example with this one. Right click into it, hover your mouse over export to, and then choose one of these options. I will go for custom export, and here in that mask you may give it a preset name or choose one of the presets here you have created. And before you click into start export, you will need to go through these options. For example, the original file location, save to here, so click into the drop down menu and switch to specific folder. Choose a folder on or from your device, or you may click into browse here. And what you want to do guys is go also through these options here: the image format, image resize if needed, the metadata. Now I'm going to skip all of this and just click into start export, and then the given folder will be exported to the selected file location here guys, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.